Welcome everyone. As promised, this is the first video in English. In this video, we will see how easy it is to work with windows in Selenium without using window handles in this test script. We'll be opening a few windows and performing actions upon different elements of these windows and close a window in the end. So let us run this script step by step. First, observe the Download Now button. We will come back to this point. Now we click Plugins menu option. Note that this opens a new window. We'll be clicking on Sign In. As the sign-in takes place, in the next page we'll be clicking on the text Custom Keywords only to highlight it. Now the script will click Download Now, which is in the first window, and after that it will close the window where Custom Keywords was highlighted before. So how was this done if no window handles are present within the script? In the setup method, I have configured elements not to scroll automatically because for this demo, I will only need one object to scroll to, which we will see later. For demonstration purposes, objects are highlighted. In the previous video, I have also set a delay following every highlight, but now this is removed. For this demonstration, most important options are window locking and window control. Window locking automatically attaches a window to an element, which means that whenever an action is made on that element, it will switch to its home window before the action is performed. Window control means that the script will look out for a new window opened and automatically switch to it. These options can be disabled at any time. As I have demonstrated in previous videos in Portuguese, these options can be set globally within the script or set for specific elements. In the latter case, they won't affect global settings for all objects. There is also a class called SaveState, where all these options can be saved and restored, but this wasn't demonstrated. There's an object map class used here so I can get more meaningful locator strings. Now, going further down in the script, you can see all elements are already declared in one place. This won't cause any errors because the common option load on demand is true by default. This means that elements can be created without a Selenium element loaded already. Think of it as a lazy load approach used in Page Factory. If you want to see one advantage of this approach, just look at my first video. Albeit in Portuguese, we'll be able to understand what it can do with a single line of code. Finally, in the test method, we can see all the actions performed. The timers seen in this video are not ready yet, but as soon as they are, I'll get back to post another code feature having testers in mind. It is my belief that Selenium testers can have concise scripts, code features, and reliable automation with fewer bugs in this test script without all the effort they would have without a framework. Scripts should be a reflection of what they see in the application under test, not the complexity of dealing with automation problems, small or big. Can you see any window handling in this script? Well, there is probably one, the download now.lock to window. As I make use of load on demand, and I intend to use this button when the focus is set to another window, I must specify that this current window is its home window by using lock to window method. For other elements which performed any action on a screen, the home window is set automatically. Some other features are shown below, such as set password to hide the text being entered and decrypt DES to decrypt text, but these are not the focus now. Note that as soon as Plugins is clicked on the home page, a new window is opened. The option Window Control mentioned earlier is responsible to switch to this new window automatically. I had to set AutoScroll for a text element, custom keywords for presentation purposes. After the text is asserted, we can get back to the home page by clicking on Download Now button. If window locking is on, it will switch to the element's home window. Finally, we want to close the previous window. This is done simply by invoking the close window method from any element that was loaded in that window. Thanks for watching.